Big news! Amber Heard blames lawyers for loss against Johnny Depp and sues the lawyers. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. Hope you're all doing good. In today's video, we are going to talk about why Amber Heard blames lawyers for the loss against Johnny Depp and more. But before starting the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon too. Now, let's get started. Fastcast said that there is clear evidence that Waldman believed that Heard committed a hoax. Depp's attorney also tried to undermine Heard's argument that Waldman's statements caused her reputational harm, arguing that her negative press coverage had nothing to do with the remarks. Johnny Depp's attorney wrapped up their final arguments by focusing in part on Amber Heard's $100 million counterclaim. Amber said, "Either she is telling the truth, including in her most extreme allegations, or she is lying. No mere emotional abuse, but Heard was alleging physical and sexual abuse by Depp." Later on, even after she lost the defamation trial, she continues to claim that the actor had hit her. In her first interview since the trial, Heard said that she stands by every word of her testimony. In the recent interview, responding to Johnny's statement in court, where he said he'd never hit her, Amber said, "It is a lie." Amber Heard said she did not regret her testimony in the defamation trial. Heard also pointed out that she felt it was unfair how the extended negative social media coverage was imposed on her. Heard assured that she understood why the jury rules in favor of the Pirates of the Caribbean star Johnny Depp. A New York-based lawyer confirmed after the snippets of the interview were released on Monday because of her comment she could be back in the courtroom. But in a split decisions, the jury also found that Heard was defamed by one of Depp's lawyers. The jury awarded her $2 million, who accused her of creating a detailed hoax that included roughing up the couple's apartment to look worse for police, though it turned into a spectacle that offered a window into a vicious marriage. The verdicts bring an end to a televised trial that Depp had hoped would help restore his reputation. She penned a strongly worded note which read, "After a great deal of deliberations, I have made a very difficult decision to settle the defamation case brought against me by my ex-husband in Virginia." Amber Heard said in an Instagram post on Monday that she would settle defamation claims brought against her by her ex-husband Johnny Depp. "Now I finally have an opportunity to emancipate myself from something I attempted to leave over 6 years ago and on terms I can agree to. My unprotected testimony served as entertainment and social media fodder. I make these decisions having lost faith in the American legal system," Amber said, each claiming they were abused before and during their roughly 2 years marriage. Depp and Heard sued each other in 2022 for defamation. In July, Heard filed an appeal to the Virginia jury's decision. She defamed Depp when she claimed in a newspaper opinion piece that she was a survivor of sexual violence. Representatives for Heard did not respond to requests for additional comment after the Aquaman star posted her decisions on Instagram. Heard said in her post, "It's important for me to say that I never chose this. I defended my truth, and in doing so, my life as I knew it was destroyed." She also said in the post that she had lost faith in the American legal system and favors the UK legal system as more robust, impartial, and fair. Heard said, "Even if my US appeal is successful, the best outcome would be a retrial where a new jury would have to consider the evidence again." Actor Amber Heard has announced that she had made the very difficult decisions to settle the multi-million-dollar defamation case brought by her former husband Johnny Depp. The settlement calls for the 36-year-old Heard to pay $1 million to her 59-year-old former husband, the entertainment website TMZ said. Heard, who had a starring role in the movie Aquaman, simply cannot go through another trial. She was dropping her appeal of the damages awarded by the jury and settling the case. Amber had an enormous amount of evidence. All these women who suffer from domestic violence, domestic abuse, and they don't have evidence, she said. Although a lot of it was supposed in this case as opposed to the UK. She added that she thinks the atmosphere of the trial was what played the ultimate role. Heard's lawyer does admit that there were some things that her team wishes they could have done differently. Johnny Depp's lawyer blasted Amber Heard's post-trial interview and accused her of reimagining the defamation trial while he's trying to move on. The jury siding with Depp on all 3 of his defamation claims and awarding her just one of her 3 counterclaims. She also insisted that she spoke truth to power throughout the trial, but that she didn't blame the jury ruling in her ex-husband's favor. Overall, that's why Amber Heard blames lawyer for the loss against Johnny Depp. Now, that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.